Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect on CapCut PC. So grab your text and I'm just going to type in the word ocean. It's the font size here. And I'm just going to color it blue. Copy and paste, and you're going to select this preset style. Scroll down and adjust the stroke thickness. Right click, create compact clip. You can also add in a background if you'd like to, maybe like the ocean or something. I don't know, it's up to you what you want to write, of course, and what background you want to choose. So let me just scroll down a little bit until I find what I want. I'm just going to use this one. Oops. Then you're just going to select the text, go to blend mode, select screen. And I'm just going to kind of like move it to the right a little bit. Go to effects and search for ripple distortion. Grab it and add it on top of your text, and you can adjust the size, the twist, and the strength as well. It's totally up to you. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!